guys, this is Divya Soni, clinical instructor in RPIT College. Today we'll discuss about clinical teaching. The purpose of clinical laboratory, where the theory and the practice come together to perfect the master skill, to have the opportunity to observation, to refine the problem solving, decision making, and the critical thinking skills, to gain the organization and the time management skill, to develop the cultural competence, to become the socialized in for the clinical laboratory. Misuse the clinical laboratory. Nursing students have been signed to the clinical setting to the gain the work experience rather than to teach the educational objectives. When the novice are given to the much responsibility to the patient care. Models of the teaching, clinical teaching. First model is traditional model. Instructor accompany group 8 to 12 learner to a clinical agency and assign to them the patient. Relieves the heavily on the keeping nursing student in the skills laboratory until they are the proficient with skills. More information about the clinical practice should be tough in the classroom before the learner go. Preceptorship models. The additional protective is the student is the tough to surprise the practicing nursing employee to the healthcare and the agency, while the educator oversees the processes and the directly supervises the student. CTA model, clinical teaching associate. The educator work hand to hand work. Increase the clinical experience for the student and expose them to more in the relative to work world, which should be reduce the reality shock. Allows the student to learn from the practitioner with the high skills level while the skill being guided by the faculty. Preparing for the clinical instruction, clinical agency sites must be chosen. Clinical units within the agency must be identified. There should be enough role models for the learner. And preparing for the clinical instructor, next point, educator should be set up in the meeting with the agency staff who will be involved in the education process, making specific arrangement for the learner on the weekly or the daily basis. Pre-conferences orientation occurs. Instruction brief their student ask question about their assignment, discuss the plans and the patient care. Practice session follow the pre-conferences. Combination of the strategies such as return, demonstration, the explanation, asking and the answering question, and the coaching technique are used like a checklist. Observation assignment supported by the social cognitive theory. Observing the nurses as they are performing skill they usually cannot perform. Nursing round involves the group of the learner and their instructor visiting patient to whom they will be assigned. Purpose is to expose the learner additional nursing situation. Effective teaching techniques for the clinical in setting, shift reports, being able to attend the endorsements, a way to student to learn the uniqueness of the nursing communication, and is the means to professional socialization. Technology use, student must be learned to how to use the variety of the technology tools, PDA, Nightingale, टेक रेकर्ड सिस्टम एक्सेट्रा. इफेक्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी टूल में लर्निंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी आते हैं, जर्नल रेटिंग भी आती हैं. फिर हम बात करते हैं पोस्ट कॉन्फ्रेंसेस की. आइडल opportunity for the point out the application of the theory of the practice, analyze the different ways that patient similar illness different in the response to nursing care, group solving, evaluating nursing care, learning to report they what they are. और चैलेंजेस आते हैं कुछ, उनको देखना और उनको पहचानना और उनके ऊपर ओवरकम करना. इवैल्यूएटिंग लर्निंग प्रोग्रेसेस नीड्स में लर्नर शुड बी हियर द फीडबैक जजमेंट ऑफ द वर्क टू डिटरमाइन द हाउ वेल द ऑब्जेक्टिव आर मेट. अगर हम फॉर्मेटिव एंड समेटिव की बात करते हैं एवेल्युएशन की, तो फॉर्मेटिव में आता है ऑनगोइंग फीडबैक, लर्नर थ्रू द लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस, हेल्प आइडेंटिफाई स्ट्रेंथ एंड द वीकनेस, प्रिवेंट लर्नर फ्रॉम द बिंग सरप्राइज एट द एंड विद द जजमेंट ऑफ देयर परफॉर्मेंस. समेटिव की बात करते हैं तो इसमें भी सेम नॉन रेफरल द क्राइटेरिया. नॉन रेफरल में लर्नर इज कंपेयर टू द रेफरेंस ग्रुप ऑफ द लर्नर, देयर फॉर द एवेल्युएशन एंड द grading are the relative to the performance of the group. Choices of the main grading most common option, and the behavior of the evaluation, use of